Okay, we're close to the rear of the home. We're going to try a vent stack, plumbing vent stack here above the primary suite. So we can get into the drain system this way. Definitely have some debris built up there in the pipes. Should be cleaned out with some urgent maintenance. There's the hallway bathroom, bathtub where that's draining into the pipe there. Looks like a little bit of a belly there, 71 feet, just for a foot or two. Trying to see the inside of that pipe. It's hard to see. I'm looking directly into the sun on top of the roof here, but those look like wet marks on top of the pipe, or some, almost looks like cracks, which if there was a belly here that would make sense, but I just can't see that clearly enough if those are cracks or just water. So that might be a clean out right there at 72 feet. We might have some clean outs at the front of the property. Just barely. City connection, 99 feet. That's a different material, so this will be in the front yard somewhere. 99 feet from the roof vent pipe above the primary bathroom. can get a better look at the top of the pipe there. I'm going to go turn the water off and see if I can get the water to go down in this area so we can get a better look at that. Alright, so with the water off, be able to get any better view. Yeah, the top of that pipe looks alright. Now it looks like a clean out right there. Likely at the front of the house there's cleanouts buried. So, sellers didn't disclose to me where the location was, so they're likely buried. See, that's just water, not cracks. A little bit of a belly there at the clean out, which is typical. They install those at a later date and then they don't compact the soil around them very well. They will settle over time. But again, we're seeing a lot of the debris in the pipe that should be cleaned out with some hydrojet maintenance.